Hello friends, welcome back to EcomCorner Etsy series video. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, best selling niches on Etsy, so that you can choose the right niche for your Etsy shop. It's chapter 3. Let's begin. So friends, as we discussed yesterday on Etsy fees, how much Etsy takes for per sale. If you missed that video, please go to our YouTube channel and watch it. So let's begin today's topic. First of all, we will discuss why niches matter. On Etsy, competition is huge. If you sell in a random niche, you will get lost. But if you target a profitable niche with high demand and low competition, your chances of success increase 10x. Niches help you with attract the right buyers, build a loyal audience, charges better prices. So in further, we are going to discuss best selling niches on Etsy. So here are some proven niches with consistent sale. You can see I have noted down 10 niches. The first one is personalized gift. In this, you can sell mugs, t-shirts, jewelry with name, dates. And second one is digital downloads. We can also know this one as digital products. In this, you can sell planners, wall art, templates. And the good thing is that with digital downloads, you don't need to ship that item. The buyer will place the order and instantly they can download it from Etsy orders. And the third one is jewelry and accessories. In this, handmade rings, bracelets, custom pieces. The fourth one is home decor. In this, you can sell candles, homemade furniture, wall prints. I would like to tell you that all these items available on EcomCorner. So you need to source all the products from our end. Our team will guide you which products is winning at this time, which products you need to source for your Etsy shop. So let's continue more. The fifth one is wedding and party supplies. In this, you can sell invitation, decor, favors, and the pet product. In that, you can sell collars, pet cloths, custom portraits, clothing and apparel, craft supplies, eco-friendly products, seasonal products like Christmas ornament, Halloween costumes. So all these niches you can try, and the good thing is that all these items you can source from EcomCorner itself at wholesale price. You can pick one niche or combine 2 to 3 to stand out. Next, we are going to discuss how to choose the right niches. Follow these steps before finalizing. First, research demand. You need to always research what exactly happening in the market, what is trending in the market, buyer demand. So for that, you can use Etsy search bar, and you can use Etsy rank or eRank or Allura tools. These are the tools. Using that, you can track what exactly ranking, what exactly in demands on Etsy. The second one is check competition. Are top sellers overloaded, or is there rooms for new sellers? You can check for that competition. Profit margin, always check cost versus selling price. This is really important. And the fourth one is your interest or skill. Choose a niche which you can sell, which you can sustain long term. The fifth one is trends. Follow Google Trends and Etsy report to spot new opportunities. Next, we have some bonus tips for you. Don't copy sellers. Instead, find gaps in best-selling niches. So at EcomCorner, we will provide you best-selling niches for your Etsy shop. Add a unique touch, personalization, packing or bundles. Start small but scale with multiple products in the same niche. So as I already told you, at the EcomCorner, we are going to provide you winning products with the same niches, and you can try that multiple products for that particular niche. So now you know the best selling niches on Etsy and how you choose the right one for yourself. In the next video, we will go deeper into setting up your first winning products listing on Etsy. Let me show you, friends, how you can source the winning products from EcomCorner. So as you can see the screen, simply you can visit ecomcorner.cloud, and this is our website homepage at EcomCorner. Simply go to the dropshipping menu, and under that you can see there is option best for Etsy. Just click on that. You can see these items are really trending at this time for Etsy, so you can try it. And also you can see we have high ticket items, winning products for Etsy, so you can try that also. So if you need any help regarding this, definitely you can contact with us. So you can see at the bottom of our footer on the site, you can contact us at our email support@ecomcorner.cloud, or you can contact us at this contact. We are going to discuss some more topics in our upcoming videos. Friends, if you are new on our video, please go to YouTube and search EcomCorner and subscribe our YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on bell icon so that you can get our all videos first at your screen. If you want to join with us on WhatsApp for instant chat, please contact us at 8756919495. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, also subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.